A love story in the heart of Barbados. Once upon a time, in the sun-kissed island of Barbados, there lived a fisherman named Kofi and a market woman named Sade. Kofi was known for his bravery and skill in navigating the rough Caribbean Sea, while Sade was loved for her warm spirit and the delicious dishes she made from the day's catch. Their paths crossed at the bustling Bridgetown fish market. Kofi was drawn to Sade's radiant smile and the passion she put into her cooking. Sade, on the other hand, was captivated by Kofi's courage and the respect he had for the sea. They found a shared love for the island's culture, music, and festivals. As time passed, their friendship blossomed into love. They spent their days exploring the island, from the beautiful beaches to the vibrant Crop Over Festival, a celebration marking the end of the sugarcane harvest season. They danced to the rhythm of calypso under the starlit sky, their hearts beating in sync with the island's vibrant spirit. One day, during the Grand Kadooment, the climax of the Crop Over Festival, Kofi took Sade's hand and led her to the parade. Amidst the colorful costumes, music, and dance, Kofi knelt down and presented Sade with a necklace made from the rare sea glass he had collected over the years. It was in that moment, surrounded by the joy and vibrancy of their culture, that Kofi asked Sade to be his life partner. Overwhelmed with joy, Sade accepted, and the crowd around them erupted in cheer. Their love story became a symbol of unity and joy in their community. It was a testament to their shared love for each other and their beautiful island. Their story was told over and over, reminding everyone of the power of love and the vibrant spirit of Barbados. And so, the love story of Kofi and Sade became a beloved tale in Barbados, passed down from generation to generation, inspiring everyone to love deeply and celebrate.